Meet Solo, the original open source FIDO2 security key. I know, it looks like a flash drive, but it isn't. Solo protects your online account from unauthorized access by providing the most secure login method. Every time you log in, there's a risk that your password can get stolen. And if the site asks you to log in unexpectedly, you might be getting phished. And the risk is even higher if you're in an unsafe location, like at school, airport or transit station, and even your local coffee shop. And it's as easy as plugging it into your laptop. It's incredibly easy to use and consistent across all sites. Solo uses NFC technology. That's a fancy way of saying you can tap it on your phone. We rebuilt the NFC hardware from the ground up, delivering superior NFC performance. And Solo comes with either a USB-A or a USB-C plug. And yes, they're both reversible and even water resistant. And the best part of this is that Solo is open source hardware and firmware. Think about it. With a small investment, you or your business can eliminate 90% of the threat that leads to cyber attacks simply by deploying a FIDO2 hardware key. Meet Solo,